Hi everybody, this is Evie the Outfit. We're just going to be heading down to the beauty pop-up in Boynton Beach, Florida today. So I have my trusty sidekick, my part of my crew. This is his first gig with me in my little group, but it's my brother. He's driving and then he's going to do some of the video for us today. So he does have a YouTube channel. I believe it is MCtheYoutuber.
Yes, I'm a gaming channel.
It's a gaming channel and it's MCtheYoutuber. So if you want to go ahead and follow him there, you can go ahead and check out some of his gaming reviews. I believe he also has new content coming in the future. So like I said, we're on our way to Boynton Beach right now, and then when we get there, I'll be taking some videos of what they have and also probably going to be buying some stuff for me to review. Alright guys, see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, it's me, it's Evelyn. So it's Evie the Outfit. We are now at the beauty pop-up sale in Boynton Beach. So I'm gonna get my little bag and I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys around. We have the perfumes right when you first walk in the door and some lipsticks, lip glosses. But we're just gonna go take a look around at everything and see what I find. Hey guys, so we just got done at the Pop-Up Beauty in Boynton Beach Boulevard, and this is all of the stuff I got. Thank you guys so much for taking a look at this wonderful video, and like I said, I've got 2 more videos coming up for this. So as I always say, guys, stay beautiful. Bye guys.